The Michelin CrossClimate tree spot versus Kleber Quadraxer tree. This is an all-season showdown inside the Michelin family itself. The CrossClimate tree spot represents Michelin's most performance-focused all-season interpretation, while the Kleber Quadraxer tree takes a more value-driven, durability-first approach. Same group, different priorities. Can value really challenge premium? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate tree spot set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Autobuild all-season tyre test. Starting with wet braking, the Michelin stops 0.6 meters shorter, a 1% advantage. In wet handling, it carries 1.2 km per hour more speed, translating to a 2% lead. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, the Kleber recedes 3.3 km per hour longer before liftoff, giving it a clear 5% edge. Overall, Michelin leads in wet braking confidence and precision, while Kleber shows clearly strong water evacuation. On snow braking, the Michelin stops 0.9 meters shorter, delivering a 4% advantage. In snow traction, it pulls 68 Newton harder, about 2% stronger. In snow handling, the Kleber runs 0.3 km per hour quicker, a marginal 1% edge. Overall, Michelin dominates braking and traction on snow, while Kleber edges ahead slightly in cornering speed. When it comes to mileage, the Kleber lasts 4,200 kilometers longer, a clear 9% advantage. In abrasion, it sheds 9 grams less material, about 1% benefit. Overall, Kleber is a longer lasting tyre. On dry braking, the Michelin stops 0.5 meters shorter, a 1% advantage. In dry handling, it runs 1.6 km per hour faster, around a 2% lead. Overall, on dry, Michelin delivers sharper responses and stronger stopping performance. On exterior noise, the Kleber runs 0.2 decibel quieter, effectively no rear-world difference. In rolling resistance, Michelin records a 0.38 coefficient value lower drag, delivering a clear 5% efficiency advantage. When it comes to pricing, the difference is unmistakable. In the 225/40 R18, the Kleber Quadraxer tree costs 20% cheaper compared to the CrossClimate tree spot. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate tree spot is the performance first all season. Shorter wet and dry stops, stronger snow braking and traction, and lower rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Kleber Quadraxer tree counters with longer wear life, stronger aquaplaning resistance, similar comfort, and much lower price.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.